Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Vlogmas. This is video 2 and I'm going to be bringing you guys along for a festive evening in my life. In the centre of my village there's a massive tree and tonight is the Christmas light switch on. So they're going to be turning all of the lights on in the village as well as the lights on the tree, and then there's going to be a fireworks display, a bunch of Christmas markets, and I'm pretty sure that there's going to be some festive food and drink from the cafes and shops that are in the surrounding area. The best part is yesterday was the 25th of November, which means today it's just less than a month until Christmas. This will get my family and I into the Christmassy spirit because at the moment I'm not feeling that festive, and I don't know, it just doesn't feel like Christmas is in a month. I just don't really feel like that yet, so hopefully after doing all of this will feel a little bit more Christmassy. It's given me an excuse to wear my red jumper. I'm just wearing a red jumper because my Christmas jumper doesn't fit me anymore. This is my Christmas jumper. If you've watched my closet clean out video then you may recognise this because this is when I was debating on whether I keep it or not. I can just squeeze into it but it's kind of uncomfortable to wear, and I don't know, I just feel like it's kind of pointless getting another one.
Because I literally wear it like twice in a year and then that's it.
But for the time being, this is what I'm going to wear tonight, and also look how cute these are! As well as my red jumper, I'm also wearing these earrings. So I've got my little Christmas tree and then a red and gold stocking which matches the jumper. And then also I'm wearing my Christmassy bracelet, which is just this little silver Christmas tree. And I think I'm just going to leave my hair down. I do actually have this green and red hair tie, so I may end up putting this in my hair, but I'm not sure. I'm going to leave it down for the time being because I washed it earlier on today, so it's looking nice and fresh. So with the festive earrings and the red jumper, we're looking Christmassy. Anyway, if I keep rambling on about what I'm wearing, I'm going to be late. So I'm going to head off, and fingers crossed this video gets you and I into the Christmas spirit.
We are not starting from 15. We are going to start from 10. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Here we go. 10,
9, 8, 7. Hey guys, I'm now home from the light switch on, and I didn't get the chance to film very much, at least not me talking anyway. It was more just like what was around and the lights. But the last thing I wanted to show you for this video is the lights. My dad put my lights up outside. Look at the lights. They're so pretty. Dad, if you're watching, you've done a brilliant job. They look so nice. It's the start of our Christmas decorations. First this, then tree next weekend, then all of our decorations inside. I just kind of want to sit outside here and just stay here for a bit, but it's freezing, so I'm probably gonna go inside soon. It's so nice. I actually think this would be like the perfect place for us to host some Christmas dinners throughout December. I just feel so Christmassy after tonight, which was what I was hoping would happen. I just can't stop singing Christmas songs as well. I was just walking around singing Mariah Carey, All I Want for Christmas Is You, and I can't get it out of my head. I think I'm going to end today's video here. I hope you did enjoy watching the fireworks display. If you did like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to turn on post notifications so you can stay up to date with all of my new Vlogmas videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!